company at the beginning was beginning to look at RPA as a possible technology to implement in the Greater Copenhagen Fire Department was because we could see that we had even more manual processes, and therefore also a lot of sources of errors. So back then it began actually as an IT project, trying to see if we can make a higher efficiency by automating processes. However, we quickly realized that this is not an IT project. This isn't a business project, and it was not only for bringing higher efficiency and lower sources of minimizing sources of error. That was, of course, a great result doing that as well. But actually, we realized that this is a great part of bringing in digital transformation for a company. A company like ours is not a natural digital workplace. We are talking firefighters and ambulance crew. All their work is manually hard work.
And we got 5 weeks to do that, where we automated a process that they already struggled a lot with the year before, which is payment of firefighter salaries for overtime, which is a very critical process that is important for the employee satisfaction, of course, and also a task that was very heavy on administration. There were 3 core systems involved, and there were 2 departments.
One area we see a lot of adoption is in the call center. And with the pandemic, this has become even more evident, especially with dispersing benefits to our citizens, unemployment insurance, SNAP, other aspects that they need help with. And they call in, call center is the biggest access point for this. We've tried self-service, but 80% of the calls go through a call center. And as a result, call centers are overwhelmed. There's a significant delay to obtain these benefits. You also have to go through, jump through hoops to get all the things you need, and you may not even know what you need. And so that really promotes the concept of having to work in different silos and go to different departments, which we need to solve. We also have a high volume of paper forms, and as a result, it's a difficult job to be empathetic and also have a lot of work piled up that's keeping you there late, and that really does become a problem from the employee satisfaction side. When you're calling in, you're using technologies such as natural language processing, natural language understanding to really look into the solution and understand what is the intent, what are you trying to solve. You've got options, and that's where the technology comes in. The next thing you want to look at is, what is the predictive optimization? How do we understand the intent and then do something actionable? There's more than just someone calling in and saying, hey, I lost my job. There's a whole subset of things we have to help them with to essentially get back to work.